Hi everyone, so welcome to my YouTube channel. If you watched my previous video where I did the unboxing of this new A16 5G, so in this video I told in that video that I'm gonna make next video where I am going to do the data conversion from my old Samsung, as you can see, Samsung A22 into the new A16. So I'm gonna move everything from my old phone to the new phone. I'm gonna tell you guys how you can do that, how you can transfer the data from your old phone to your new phone. Anytime you get your new phone, you have to worry about your data, your WhatsApp. So in this video I'm going to tell you completely how you can convert each and everything, in case some people have like a work profile and personal profile like in this phone. So I'm going to tell you, explain that as well, that this is a work profile, it's a personal profile. So some people worry about that. If we do that, maybe their profile is not gonna transfer fully. uh, i'm gonna I'm gonna show you step by step, so just make sure you watch this video until the end. And then if you have still any question left, let me know in the comments below. I will make sure to answer those questions. So to start this with, you have to, that's the new phone, that's the old phone. Let me unlock these both phones at the same time. So make sure you are connected to the same Wi-Fi either at home or any other device you want to connect with. Just make sure that you have the same device. Sometimes it shows the pop-up here on this old phone if you want to move. If not, so there is an app which you have to download. It's a Samsung app. It's called Smart Switch. When you click on this, you have to make sure you install the app on this old phone. And when you do that, that's basically made by Samsung to transfer the data. In this, I think it's installed already. There you go. This app come by default in this phone. So when you open this app here as well, and as you can see, it's gonna transfer microphone, like all the call logs, contacts, camera, and everything. You have to allow that. And here it comes with this option where it asking you to transfer the data. So you have to send from this phone and receive on this phone. So when you click on this, you will have to pick the options from here. That's also one way to do that. That's to move the data from this phone to this phone. But if you have profiles like I showed you this like that, so just follow that step. Then otherwise, if you just want to move the data, you don't have profile, you can just go ahead. Here is have option, you giving you option you want to have on Android or iPhone. If you're moving from your Samsung to iPhone, you have to select iPhone on that. Otherwise, you have to go with Android. Then you have two options, wireless or cable. Because you're on the same Wi-Fi, you can go with wireless. Otherwise, you can use the cable and plug both cables in here and then select cable. Okay, so let's do the other one first. So like I just told you guys, so that's the one thing. The second thing, if you want to move everything, so usually when you turn on your phone, without it gives the option in the beginning, you can select from there. If not, so nothing to worry. Like you're in, I just turned on this phone brand new. When you swiped on, you usually it's going to show you this, that Galaxy A16 setup in progress. Tap to finish setting up. So when you click on that, it's going to bring you to this page. Usually, I'm just going to repeat again, usually when you turn on the phone for the first time, this setup will give you in the very beginning. So you can so let's imagine you turn on the phone, this is what you got in the beginning. So you have to select easy setup with another device. So you have to, if you're moving to iPhone or Android, to make sure you have to click Galaxy on here and scan the QR code with your old phone on tablet. So here, that's my old phone, right? I'm gonna turn on the camera and scan this QR code. When I scan this, it's giving me show option, open in browser. So I have to turn on the Bluetooth, continue. Usually you can turn on the Bluetooth, it's going to give you option already. Here you have to enter the password. As you can see, it's connecting to the Wi-Fi. Because my both phones are on the same Wi-Fi, my home Wi-Fi, so it's gonna continue setup on your new device. That's my new device, that's my old device. I'm just gonna put this down because this is now setting it up, and it's gonna give you a few options. You have to select from there. It's gonna ask you if you have profiles on your old phone. It's gonna ask you want to transfer the profile, anything, like exact same thing, because these are the apps, these are the built-in apps in these phones which asking or helping us to transfer data fully, and the profile, everything from this phone to the new one. So now copying your accounts, as you can see, it's asking me to verify, so you have to enter your email, whichever email you use to sign in. It's just to verify your account. Just enter your email address and make sure you remember the password on that. So here it's asking to install the profile. Like I said, I have the profile on my old phone. It asking me to, do you want to install now or skip? Because I want to install, I'm going to click on install. It copying that device policy, and now I'm done, because I'm using that phone for my work phone as well, so that's why we need the MDM policy. If you know mobile device management, that what is asking to install here. So here it's asking me to set up a work profile, so I have to agree. I want to set up that on this one exactly like my old phone. I got the notification on my old phone that there is a new sign-in happened on this phone. So now we have option to go next. I'm gonna click next. So as you can see, now we have to set up the work profile. Here it is asking you to enter the Face ID or any PIN, so you have to enter that. After entering the PIN, it's going to bring you to this page. Click done. It's going to install work apps. Install work apps, yes. So you can add a personal account. Again, it's totally up to you what account you want to add, what account you don't want to add. So now we came to this page where it is asking us copy data from your Android device. Yes, we have to. Next, install Smart Switch on your old device. Like I just mentioned to you before, yes, we already installed. Okay, I just forgot to install on my old device. I'm just installing now. So here I'm just going to tell you once that one is installing. So you have two options. One, if you have Wi-Fi, if your both phones are connected with the same Wi-Fi of your home, you can go with the wireless option, which I am going to go with. If for some reason you don't have any Wi-Fi, so the cable comes with this is your USB-C on both sides, so you can plug the cable here and here, and then you can select the cable option. Then it will transfer the data using the cable from your old phone to your new phone. So here you come on this. So here we are on this page. Select wireless. When you do that, it will start making these kind of noise, and then connect to A16. Connect, and then now it's searching for data to transfer. So now first it's gonna scan the data and show you how much data on it, and then it's gonna ask you everything or just call or custom. So because I want everything, I'm gonna select that. You can select this option, keep the screen on, otherwise it will go on, turn off after a few minutes, because I just want to make sure everything is transferring fine. You can stop if you want to. Here's the option, just letting you know in case you think you want to pick wrong option, or you select you want to select other option. So you can stop that and start again with whatever you want to select with. It's gonna bring you this page where it's asking you to sign in with the Samsung account. If you have, that's good. Otherwise, you can forget ID and skip that setup. So it's not gonna ask you. So now it just brought me in my main screen in my new phone. So here it's still transferring the data. So if you swipe down from the top, you will see transferring is 67 or 8%. It's showing you the progress as well. So we'll close the other apps. Yeah, okay. So once it's fully completed from here to there, it's gonna show us the data, actual number of data it's gonna transfer. So I'm just waiting for that. 82%. Let's open that, so now you can have a clear picture. So done with this phone. So basically what this means everything is transferred from your old phone to new phone. So now if you want to take your phone away, or if you want to use this phone, you can use that, because everything is transferred here, and it's now gonna start organizing the data in it. As you can see, it's organizing your transferred data. So everything is transferred from your old phone to a new one. So basically your data is moved. Everything you can put this away and let this transfer or organize the data in this new phone. Might take, like as you can see, 13 minutes left. It's giving you the time frame here, 13 minutes left. So it might take like 15-20 minutes. It depends on your data on your phone, but once it moved, you don't have to worry. It's gonna start loading everything on this phone, and that's all you have to do. So that's the main thing which we shows. It says data transfer result. So you can match with your old phone by going in the settings and make sure everything is moved accordingly. But you can see apps 1.88 gig, and you can show more 21 apps, settings and document files and home screen and messages. So yeah, so that's the amount of everything copied from this phone, and here it's transferred already. You can click next and all set. You can sign in with Google. Anything else you want to sign in, you can do that now, or you can do it later on. So now we are in the, if you swipe up, you will see the work profile here, and a lot of the apps are downloading already. I have the pretty much same apps, but I think the rest are downloading from my it's in the setup. I have to log in my Play Store. So let's just quickly have a look everything is moved or not. So I'm just gonna go in the gallery. So let's I'll go in this gallery, and that's the picture I have. I'm gonna go in the gallery here, and I will see the same picture here. So as you can see, everything is same. So if I swipe right, so all the pictures I moved from here, everything is moved from here to there. So yeah, these are the pictures I took today. So it's still here. So from this you can have an idea, everything else is moved. All your emails are all the kind of WhatsApp data, and all the apps will be downloading here soon. So if everything is moved, I hope you understand the process. It's not that complex. Just let me know in the comments below if you think anything is missing or anything is not fully copied on your phone. So I will make sure to help you guys and let you know if there's any solution I find. But I find it really straightforward. All my messages are back, and all the apps I have here are in here too. So I didn't find any kind of difficulties in this one. So alright, let me know, and thanks for watching this video. I hope you like it.